Today I'm going to be reviewing Sohida's 1.8 liter 80 watt lunchbox. I'd first like to thank Sohida for sending this to me to review. Let's open this up. First of all, you got an insulated bag for your food. You can put it in here and then you can heat it. Look at this. This is it. You can heat this either if you were at work or at your desk with this, or in your car. You've got DC and you got AC. Now, what's really nice, it's got two little handles here like that. It is locked right here. It's got a little vent at the top. Now, this is really cool. Now, I did not use this because I don't need them, but they got a little spot right here. You need a knife. You've got a knife. And you can fit 3 utensils in here, spoon, fork, all of that. What a great idea just to put that in there. Now, to open this up, you do have handles to carry it like this. Open it up. You're going to have to unsnap all of these, and then it will pop off. And we'll get to see what's inside. So on the inside, you do get a little 0.5 liter container. You can put like fruit and stuff in there. And then inside, this piece comes out so you can clean it. This is where the heating element is. You put it in there. And then right on the side, that's where you plug it in through either your AC or DC. And then you can power it on right there on the front. This does really well on Amazon. It gets 4.4 stars, 199 reviews. It's an Amazon choice. And last month, November 2025, 1,000 plus of these were bought. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.